Hello everyone, here is Crystal, and today I want to share a useful tips in the kitchen cleaning. Okay, look, this is the cleaning cloth with an abrasive angle. I have tried to clean the ceramic, the glass, and many other surfaces, and all got perfect clean performance. And so I named it a highly versatile universal cleaning cloth. And in the course of my use, I found this cleaning cloth is lint-free and very durable. And because of the abrasive angle, it can remove the grease and grime with a minimum of detergent and water. Okay, I will do a test and use the body of the cloth to clean the common dirt and use the abrasive angle to clean the stubborn dirt. Okay, this is a dish, and I will clean the dish with the cleaning cloth. Okay, put some water on the cloth and clean the dish of this area. And we can see the obvious difference. This area I have cleaned by the cleaning cloth, and for the stubborn dirt I will use the abrasive angle for the cleaning. Okay, that's the good performance of the cleaning. Okay, in a conclusion, this cleaning cloth is ideal for the kitchen cleaning and for removing the stubborn stains without changing clothes, and lint-free and highly versatile, and also very suitable for the dry and wet use. And so I highly recommend this cleaning cloth for you and hope you also like it. Okay, this is today's sharing, and see you next time.